Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Adam and Anna podcast, where we make English simple and fun. I'm Adam.
And I'm Anna. How's everyone doing today? Adam, I have to tell you something funny that happened to me yesterday.
Oh, no. What happened this time, Anna?
So I went to this new Italian restaurant, right? And I was so excited to try their famous pasta. But when the waiter came over, I completely froze. I forgot how to order in English.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I just pointed at the menu like this, mixed gesture, and said, "That one, please." The waiter looked so confused.
That's exactly why we need today's episode. I bet a lot of our listeners have been in that same situation.
Absolutely. You know what? I bet right now someone listening is thinking, yes, that's exactly what happens to me.
So, here's a question for you. Have you ever walked into a restaurant, looked at the menu, and felt your English just disappear?
Or maybe you know what you want, but you don't know how to ask for it politely.
Well, today we're going to fix that problem forever. By the end of this episode, you'll walk into any restaurant with confidence.
That's right. No more pointing at menus or feeling nervous. You'll sound natural and polite, just like a native speaker. Okay, so here's what we're going to learn today. First, how to start your order like a pro. No more awkward silences.
Second, how to ask smart questions about the menu. This is super important because servers love helping customers who ask good questions.
And third, how to finish your order smoothly. You know, how to wrap things up without that awkward, I think that's it moment.
Plus, we'll teach you some secret phrases that servers actually use, so you'll understand them perfectly.
All right, so today we're taking you inside a real restaurant conversation. You're going to hear Sarah. She's ordering dinner at Tony's restaurant.
And I'm playing Mike, the server. Now, here's the thing. Mike is friendly and helpful, just like most servers, but Sarah knows exactly what to say to make the conversation smooth.
Here's how we want you to use this episode. First, just listen and enjoy the conversation. Don't worry about understanding every word.
Then we'll break down the best phrases and you'll repeat them with us. Finally, we'll give you some practice scenarios.
Ready? Let's go to Tony's restaurant. Okay, here we go. Listen for the key phrases.
Good evening. Welcome to Tony's restaurant. How are you tonight?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. Could I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like something to drink while you're looking?
Oh, yes. I'll have a water, please. And I need just a few minutes to check out the menu.
No problem at all. Take your time. I'll be right back with your water. Here's your water. Are you ready to order, or do you need a little more time?
I think I'm ready, but what do you recommend? Everything looks so good.
Oh, great question. The chicken pasta is our most popular dish, and the grilled fish is absolutely fresh today. It's amazing.
Ooh, that does sound good. I'll take the chicken pasta, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a side salad with that?
Yes, that sounds perfect. Oh, but can I have the dressing on the side? I like to control how much I use.
Absolutely. No problem at all. Anything else I can get you?
No, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Your meal will be ready in about 15 minutes. Enjoy your evening.
Wow, did you hear how smooth that was? Let's break down the magic phrases.
First one, could I see the menu, please? This is super polite. Much better than just saying, menu.
Exactly. Notice how Sarah said, could I? That's the polite way. You can also say, may I see the menu, please? Both work perfectly.
Next, I'll have This is the classic way to start your order. I'll have the chicken, or I'll have a water. Simple and clear.
But here's a pro tip. You can also say, I'll take. It means the same thing. I'll take the pasta. Sounds very natural.
Now, what do you recommend? This is gold. Servers love this question because they get to help you. Plus, they know what's good.
And here's a secret. When you ask this question, servers think you're a smart customer. It shows you trust them.
Can I have the dressing on the side? This is how you make special requests. Start with, can I have, then say what you want.
The magic phrase to end your order. That's all for now. It's polite and clear. Much better than just, that's it.
Time to practice. We'll say each phrase, then you repeat. Ready? Here we go.
Could I see the menu, please?
Great. Repeat, I'll have a water, please.
Perfect. Repeat, what do you recommend?
Excellent. Repeat, I'll take the chicken pasta, please.
Nice work. Repeat, can I have the dressing on the side?
Fantastic. Repeat, that's all for now.
Now, let's try the server phrases. Repeat, would you like something to drink?
Good. Repeat, take your time.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in 15 minutes.
Last one. Repeat, anything else?
Amazing work, everyone. Let's quickly review what you just learned.
You mastered I'll have and I'll take for ordering. These work for food, drinks, everything.
You learned what do you recommend, the question that makes servers happy and helps you get the best food.
And can I have for special requests. Dressing on the side, no onions, extra cheese, whatever you need.
Plus, that's all for now. To end your order like a pro. You're ready for any restaurant.
Okay, practice time. I'm going to give you real situations. Say your answer out loud, then we'll give you the perfect response.
Situation 1. You want to order a burger and fries. How do you start?
Perfect answer. I'll have the burger and fries, please. Or, I'll take the burger and fries, please.
Situation 2. You're not sure what's good. What's your magic question?
Exactly. What do you recommend? This question never fails.
Last one. You want ketchup on the side. How do you ask politely?
Beautiful. Can I have the ketchup on the side, please? You're a natural.
You know what? I'm actually excited to go to a restaurant now and use these phrases.
Me too. And I bet our listeners are feeling the same way.
So here's your fun task. And yes, it's actually fun. This week, go to any restaurant or cafe. It doesn't have to be fancy. Could be McDonald's, could be a pizza place. Doesn't matter.
Use at least 3 phrases from today. Start with I'll have or I'll take. Ask, what do you recommend? And end with, that's all for now.
Then come back and tell us how it went. Did the server smile? Did you feel more confident? We want to hear your success stories.
If this episode helped you, please share it with a friend who's learning English. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Adam and Anna Podcast.
Next week, we're talking about making small talk with coworkers. Perfect for your job or school. It's going to be so useful.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every conversation is a chance to improve.
We believe in you. See you next time on Adam and Anna Podcast.
Bye, everyone. Go order some delicious food.